County in southwest Pennsylvania, southern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania, Preston County in northern West Virginia, Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, Marion County in northern West Virginia, eastern Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, Fayette County in southwest Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwest Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds